Hi there, students. Badger. A badger. To badger. Okay, so if you badger somebody, you ask them repeatedly to do something, to pester them. The kids were trying to badger me into buying them a new PlayStation. So to pester, to harass, to bother, to hound, to torment. Yeah? My boss is always badgering me about how much paper I use. Okay, a badger is an animal. It's a nocturnal animal. It normally has a grey or a black coat, but the thing that shows a badger is this stripe along its snout, not on its back, on its snout. And badgers, they are nocturnal. They live at night, and they eat. They're omnivores. They eat absolutely everything. Okay, so the animal, a badger. I believe a good shaving brush is supposed to be made with bristles of badger hair. Just a slight thing. But today, to badger, to pester somebody, to ask them repeatedly, to annoy persistently, to press. So my mum is always badgering me to give up smoking. Okay, so to badger somebody, to press somebody, to pester, to harass, to urge persistently, to nag. Yeah, so my kids are badgering me to death. Yeah, don't answer him. He'll just keep badgering you if you do. I've been badgered all day by people asking questions and asking for help, and I need a rest. There's also actually an extortion scheme called a badger game, where you lure somebody into a compromising situation, and then extort them for it with either threats of physical violence or exposing them. So to badger, to pester. Okay, a lawyer might badger a witness to harass, to give them a hard time. Yeah, to badger somebody into doing something, to pester them into doing something, to badger someone to death, to continue bother and annoy someone or something because you want something. So they just keep badgering you on and on and on. So they're trying to badger me into doing what they want. Okay, so the badger. It's an animal with short legs, with wide feet, with big claws, strong jaws, and they live underground and they come out at night. But the most important thing, this white stripe down the front of their nose. Near here, I've seen various different badgers, and then to badger, to try to persuade somebody to do something by asking them repeatedly or telling them repeatedly to do something, or to keep questioning them repeatedly. The kids were trying to badger me into buying them some sweets. They're badgering me to buy them sweets. Yes, stop badgering me. I'll do it when I'm ready. Yeah, I've had enough of your badgering me. Okay, so to harass somebody, to annoy persistently, to ask them repeatedly or tell them repeatedly to do something. Okay, so they kept phoning and writing and badgering me to do what they wanted, to pester, to worry, to harry, to bother. So formality, to badger. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. As to origin, it comes from Middle English badge, which refers to the white badge-like stripe on its face. This actually pushed out the old word brock, and a brock is an old word for a male badger. Yeah. Okay, so to badger, a badger. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Badger.